What a twat. Saturday. So today we're going from Saint Flour to Olon, taking in Volvic, believe it or not, where the water comes from, and Clermont-Ferrand. But it was nice to have a garage last night, seeing as it pissed it down. I had to take the camera off yesterday because the rain just got that heavy. I just thought, no, water's going to get into something. So that's 2 days on a trot. I've had rain in the afternoon. It's not been very pleasurable. Of course, these hotel rooms, they haven't got the heating on, so I can't dry stuff out. So a heated grips are on again to try and dry my gloves out. So my waterproof jacket's still a bit damp around the collar. But what we do today depends on the bloody weather, of course. I'm not trudging around looking for the source of Volvic if it's pissing it down with rain. Oh, I'm not. What the hell are you doing, sat-nav? I thought it was taking me up somebody's bloody driveway. So I think I am going to have to evaluate my packing, because this tank bag, especially on the more twisty bits, is getting in the way. I could probably do with a smaller one, to be fair, but I don't know if bag looks or what do them. I've been thinking about getting one of those tank ring mounted ones, because they're quite small. Now I'll just have to limit the stuff I take, because at the moment this is full. It's probably full of crap that I don't really need, but I've brought it, as you do. But I'm just hoping, I don't mind if it stays like this all day, as long as it don't bloody rain. I just don't want to get wet again. Because Cliff Richard wasn't exactly telling the truth, was he? The sun always doesn't shine brightly. The sea was blue, I'll give him that. But the sun's been out a bit sparingly. Look at this low cloud in the valley. You know it's pissed it down overnight. That's the best time for it, overnight. Look at that over there. I'm guessing there must be a valley down there or something, but it just looks like the whole thing's on fire and it's smoking like there's wildfires. Look at that, all the way down there. That just looks absolutely crazy, that does. I've never seen anything like that before. I wonder if we're going that way. Look at it, it just looks like a line of fire. I know it isn't a fire because it's bloody wet through and it's 9 degrees. Thank God I put my thermals on this morning. Start to get a better view of it now, look. Look at it. That's pretty dramatic scenery, that is. Well, it's not scenery, is it? It's weather. Look at it, it is directly ahead. I'm going straight through it. Marvellous. We're going in. Pray for me. God, it's just like going in. Oh, I can feel the temperature drop straight away. Oh, this is like Applecross vibes all over again. I'm hoping this don't last long. Scenery's great, look. Is that it? Oh, I think I'm out of it. Only for the next batch. Yeah, it's lovely down here. Didn't expect this morning. Yeah, I'm not up to date with the regions of France, so I haven't got a clue what region this is. Yeah, the scenery around here is really nice. It just adds to it with having this low cloud all the way through the valleys. Hey, a pan! So I think I know where I am now. I think I'm in the Puy de Domes. Ignore the French pronunciation. But I think it's the area with all the extinct like volcanoes and everything that obviously Volvic comes from. So yeah, so there's dotted about all around here is a load of extinct volcanoes. So I'm not sure if every hill or whatever is an old volcano, but there's quite a few around here from what I gather. Nice scenery, nice roads. Pity about the dubious weather. Look at this again. Looks like the whole sky's on fire. Looks like I'm going to get cold and damp again then. Yeah, look at that. That's quite impressive, isn't it? I do have to say as well, these Michelin pilot roads I've got on, absolutely brilliant. They've just, in this weather, not even thought about once about worrying about them slipping, sliding or all sorts. They've just confidence building. They're proper good tyres. I think they're 6s, I think, but I'm well happy with them. I know they cost a bit more than your Bridgestones, I think, but oh, over it's a bloody good job. I didn't realise we were that high up. That means the temperature's going to drop again then, doesn't it? Yeah, but these tyre, brilliant. I mean, I've had pilot roads for ages, for the last 3 bikes I think, and they've been great. Proper good tyres. It's just a pity it's so bloody cold. Grey and horrible. Just making the journey not very pleasant, really. Not very pleasant at all. Oh, does that mean fucking diesel all over the road? Gas oil? Yeah, so I'm guessing there's some sort of shit over the road. Seeing as some boy racers just binned his bloody car. What a twat. Volvic. We're on our way to find out where all the bottles come from. This way, apparently. Volvic. It's where the water comes from. Is it up here? Yeah, I think it's up here. Source of Volvic. So when you get your little bottles of water, this is where it comes from. I wonder if there's somewhere I can fill my bottle up then with Volvic water. So I've done the unspeakable. I've just filled up there my empty bottle of water that wasn't a Volvic bottle of water. Oh no. So yeah, I decided not to go looking for the source of Volvic because it's cold, it's wet, so there's a history of oh God almighty, so there's a history of Volvic. Right, where the bloody hell is it trying to take me now? Oh, trying to take me to the grots. So I'm guessing, because obviously most stuff comes from underground, doesn't it? I'm guessing that this is where the Volvic was discovered, in the caves. Yeah. Grotte de la Pierre de Volvic. My French is great, isn't it? It's brilliant. Alright, where the... Am I supposed to be going down here? Sat-nav, where the bloody hell are you taking me? Oh God! Should I be coming down here or not? Friggin' hell. Should I? Yeah, like I say, should I be coming this way? Am I going to end up in somebody's backyard, am I? I'm in the centre of Volvic. So there you have it. We have been to the source of Volvic, and we have a sample. Not that sort of sample. But I had a quick swig. It's very, as you'd expect, very minerally is the best way I can describe it. Back on the open road again, but we're at the Volvic area now, just cracking on north towards Olon. do hate these busy roads though. Traffic nose to tail. I'm literally the only one. You can see how long ago it was when I did these routes, because I could have sworn this morning that all it was going to be was dual carriageways and motorways. How wrong was I? This has been a damn sight better today than I thought it was going to be. Still don't know what the weather's going to do though. Keep getting the occasional, I mean, just at the moment I can feel a few spots. How empty are these roads? It's just unbelievable. I ain't seen a car for, I can't even remember for how long. It's going to be a shock to the system tomorrow when I land back in Blighty, because it's going to be mental. We go from this to nose to tail, craters that should have come from the moon on the road. Yeah, unbelievable. All you've got is cows for company, because there's no bugger else about. So I just stopped for a coffee here. Not only have we got shadow, which means that the sun's out, but look at these. Look at these wood carvings here. I think that one's got too much detail on it, if you know what I mean. But yeah, nice to see. Different, but stopped here. Peaceful little bit of forest. Although bike's looking a bit ditched. In fact, it's looking a lot ditched. Ooh. Getting some corrosion there as well. That's not good. But as the way with things, the sun's out, but it's still raining. Can't win, can you? Right, so I'm heading off towards Olon. I think still got, yeah, about 2 3/4 hours, but we'll get there just in time for tea and a couple of pints. Why not? Well, last day, bollocks. I don't know if that's supposed to be a woman with big breasts. I don't know. Bloody Brits abroad, eh? Oh, shit on a stick. Bollocks. Oh, twat on a stick. Bollocks, bollocks, bollocks. What an absolute bellend.